It's here. The GameCube wireless controller from Nintendo for the Nintendo Switch 2 online. Oh man, let me unbox it. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nostalgia. Big time nostalgia. Oh wow, this feels so good. Ooh, I love that. I love it. Gonna have to play some more Wind Waker, of course, with this bad boy. Wow. It's just like the GameCube controller. I mean, it's got a couple extra buttons there, but this feels amazing. Wireless. And it comes with a charging cable. And there you go. Yeah, I can't wait to play with this thing. This is beautiful. Feels so good. This feels so nice in the hand. The ergonomics, it just fits beautifully. Oh yeah, look at all that range on that controller or stick. Yeah, that is beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is gonna be great. Let's go to Zelda. I did a podcast episode, just put it up, Disney World Vacation podcast, of more details about my review on the Switch. Oh man, this looks beautiful. On the Switch 2. I played last night for the first video just on the screen, the portable screen, but after I hooked it up to the TV and mind blown. You won't believe how much better it even looks when it's connected to the screen, 4K, 60 frames, all the games, especially the new Zeldas, Breath of the Wild, Tears of the Kingdom. This is just popping too. Actually, I should have a save here for this. Let's see, load, yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh man, I love it. This is so good. I still want Wind Waker HD here, you know. I will get that, but still, this just takes me back. This was like, what was it, $70 almost? Something like that. But worth it because I'm going to be playing so many games for the next like 10 years on the Switch 2 as they release more stuff on the GameCube. I love this music. If you ever grew up with this stuff, you're gonna love it. All right, anyways, 10 out of 10, just like the Switch 2. I love it. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.